Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to use Google Keyword Planner. So just let's start. So first of all, you guys have to open up your Google browser and search for Google Keyword Planner and open up the first website. So after opening up the first website, just log in here with your Google account and after that click on Go to Keyword Planner. And after going on to Keyword Planner, you guys can click on discover new keywords, and from here you guys can search anything. Just like I want to search sneakers, so I will search sneakers and I will get results. And as you guys can see, there are more searches like socks, footwears, and as you guys can see, these are all the keywords that you guys can easily use. And there are very much further things like performance planner, reach planner, and other more billing tools and admin panel. You guys can set up everything from here. And that's how you guys can easily use Google Keyword Planner. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.